I don't care. I just know I felt like I had to fucking throw up. What's good? What's good? It's your girl African Dog, and I'm back with another video. It's currently Valentine's Day, and we're on the way to the airport. Got a trip planned, but I'm really not gonna tell you guys like where we're going until I get to the airport, or maybe when I get to the airport there. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all when I get to the airport there. So just stay tuned. This is like a mini little, well, it's not even a mini little vlog because I'm gonna be gone for like a couple days. So it's just a vlog. So I'll be right back. I'll come back to you guys when I'm at the airport. You know, this is my first time flying, so bear with your sister, girl. Bear with you. Well, bear with me. Okay? So I'll be right back when I get to the airport. So bye. Okay, guys, excuse my hair, excuse my flowers, but I'm at the airport. It's the second airport. So I gotta do this one. Okay, I'm back. So we went on the trip to Valentine's Day, and we went to Houston. As you know, in the other clips, I didn't reveal where we were going, but we went to Houston. And this is just a mini little, it's not even mini, it's a long ass vlog. But this is basically a vlog of where we're going, how, like, everything looks like. This is my first time being here. This is my first flight and everything. And I'm actually having a good time. But we're gonna get ready to go see everything, like what's in Houston, and we're gonna go see the mall because they said the mall is like really, really huge. So I'm vlog at the mall, on vlog, and we're gonna see this little waterfall. But anyways, we're going to see this little waterfall thing. It's like a little thing that like lights up or whatever. We're gonna go see that and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna vlog the whole time there. So I'll see you guys later. This is really pretty. This shit is cute. Hey, what's up, my dog? I'm back. I didn't vlog a lot while I was here. I vlogged a little bit, but it's just too crowded, and I do not like crowds. And I dropped food on my shirt. But yeah, this is me one of these, and I'm gonna film tomorrow on the way to the airport and in Uber. And I'm really excited. Yeah. Okay, so I had a long freaking day. We're back from the mall. I'm gonna get ready to take a shower, so I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna take my makeup off, gonna put my hair in my bun, I'm gonna shower and put on some comfy clothes and watch movies with my boo. and go to sleep because we have a flight at 12 tomorrow morning. So yeah, but this was actually a really good trip, but I'm gonna get more into it as I'm getting ready. But right now I'm gonna put my hair up and okay, I have no storage, so that's why my phone keep doing that. So I'm gonna get out these clothes. Your girl was got like a mile over your head. Okay, so I'm just gonna get into it. So I'm about to get a rag for my face. But your girl got a rag. Your girl from this off. But I'm keeping my lashes on. But this was a for it was for Valentine's Day weekend, and I really loved it. Despite our Airbnb homes taking forever. Like first we was supposed to check in at 12, but we ended up having to check in at 3, and our flight got here on Valentine's Day at 11. No, 12. Yeah, 12. We got here at 12. So we had to wait at the airport. And then when we got here, we had to wait till they came down. But it's like, okay, so if you're cutting off on that, I'm gonna put some clips in if I haven't already put some clips in, as I was saying. So like everywhere I, like stuff that I've seen and stuff that I passed, all the buildings and stuff. Yeah, but this was like a really good experience. Y'all should come visit. It's really nice. And the weather was not bad at all. You know how it's cold, how it's kind of cold. Well, it's not kind of, it is cold. In Georgia right now, it's not cold here. Like it's chilly, but it's not cold. Or whatever. But I had a really good time. But your girl need to get back in Georgia. Okay? Your girl need to get back in Georgia. Because I'm ready to go home. I'm not ready to go home, but I'm tired now. It was a nice trip. But sis, I want my bed. And if you hear something in the bathroom, that's my dude. He's in there. Recording. I'll take a shower. I'm going to put this up in my body, but I'm going to put my hand upon ponytail first. So I'm gonna and I'm gonna take this honey. No, it's all I can fit all this stuff in here. But make sure you thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you love this video. And I was supposed to do a story time, but I was iffy about that, so I didn't do it. So I think I'm gonna do the hottest noodle challenge or whatever. But your girl finna wash, brush your teeth and everything, and lay down and get comfy with her man. So, before I end this video, when I got here, I was just feeling so bad, like I had the worst migraine ever. But the Lord told me, don't let that stop you, girl. Don't let that stop you. You are a hot Houston hottie. You a Houston hottie. So have a good time. So what I did, I had a good time. I rested for a while and let the headache go away. And whatever. I don't care. I just know I felt like I had to fucking throw up. Okay, my dolls. Okay, as you see last night, I was getting ready for bed, but I'm getting ready to go to the airport and we're about to leave. So these are last couple hours in Houston. I might record at the airport. It depends on how I feel, but I don't know. It depends. But thank you guys for going on this journey with me. I had a wonderful time. I'm ready to show y'all our next trip. We have plenty more trips to go on this year. We have a lot of goals to meet, and we're trying to meet a lot of them. Every single last one of them, actually. And my lash line will be relaunching soon, so I'm going to take y'all on that journey with me as everything comes in, packaging, all that other good stuff. But yeah, don't forget, if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Thumbs up this video. Comment dog gang in the comments. Y'all already know what it is. Comment dog gang. If you're not a dog, you want to become a dog. I'm a dog, you're a dog. We're all some dogs. And to become a dog, you gotta join the dog. Period. But okay, guys, I'm out.